My name is Gail Breslow. I'm the director of the Intel Computer Clubhouse Network, which is based at the Museum of Science in Boston. The Computer Clubhouse is an out-of-school community learning program where young people, primarily from low-income or underserved communities, come to use technology to create projects based on their own ideas and interests. So the idea is for young people to really tap inside themselves and find what they're interested in, and then find a way to express their passion about those interests through technology.
Well, with mathematics, I can say it's like a numeric problem. A lot of kids find it hard because 1 minute, there's so much plugins into that equation that you forget. Like, you have to relapse sometimes. And when you have to relapse, like, you get a little bit uncomfortable, so your brain starts crashing and stuff, and you start to forget. But with science and stuff, it's a little bit more easier because there's different topics. There's living environment, there's earth science, there's labs as in such in formula testing, mixing chemicals with sulfuric acid and stuff and whatnot. But with mathematics, it's quadratic equations, which you have to break it down 4 times and keep on going until you get the lowest radical you can possibly get, which is really, really hard. And I think a lot of teenagers in my generation can agree with me on that.
My name is Monique Hayward, and I am the marketing manager for global diversity, education, and external relations at Intel Corporation. And Intel is celebrating its 10th anniversary of supporting the Intel Computer Clubhouse Network. And what is happening here in Boston this week is the Teen Summit. And it's a biannual event where we bring leaders, young leaders from around the world who are active in the clubhouses to come here and go through workshops, go through seminars, and show off all the great projects that they're working on. Whether it's 3D, engineering, design, music, games, you have something for everyone who is interested in technology and how technology enables great things to happen in the world.
Hello, my name is Besinia Haunga. I'm from Clubhouse CC4 in Auckland, New Zealand.
Hi, my name is Sandile and I'm from South Africa, Johannesburg.
Just from his friends in the neighborhood.
Okay, so you know about it?
Yes.
And you see what it does to them?
Yes, in my age.
People your age?
What are you here for?
We're here to showcase what our clubhouse does in Atlanta.
People.
People? And where are you from?
Lake Washington.
We got like a studio, and we have a program called Acid, and we can mix different music together and make beats, and we even got a green screen that we can make music videos on, so that's fun.
I major in game design and video design. The programs I use is Maxon Cinema 4D. I'm going to get into that a little bit later. And I use Design 7.5. I started from Design 7 when I was about in 5th grade. I started with central processing units and stuff, learning how to do the pixelation and stuff. Basically, what I do is I basically put in the roots, do the programming as in C++ and Java. Right now on my website, I've programmed about 5 Flash games, which
I know in the community I serve, in our 3 communities in Guadalupe and Chandler and Sackatoon, there is nothing else there. So literally the kids come into the clubhouse and they live there. They come in like, we've got kids that are from 5 years old to 19 that come in, and from about 6 in the morning till like 9 at night, they live inside there. They take over the music studio, video editing. It's like their second home.
And how is it helping the kids?
I've actually had some of the kids that have been around for about 9 years now. I've actually had some of my teens that they started out when they were in junior high school, and now they've graduated and gone to college. I have 3 students that are now web designers, one that is a game designer and a programmer for websites, and they're making $70,000, $80,000 a year.
Yeah.
And it's funny because they actually come back on their vacations and come volunteer at the clubhouse.
Excellent.
So.
Developing with, I think about 3 continents right now. We're developing story, and we're doing various technology tests. There's one here on our computer that we're demonstrating. We built a rig actually with 2 HD cameras like this on a bracket, and then we do red and blue filtering in Final Cut Pro. So I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's almost instant out of the camera, like perfect Additive 3D. So the idea is to use our network. We have like 20,000 kids around the world as a virtual 3D movie studio. So some kids will write, some kids will act, some kids will do 3D modeling, post-production, special effects, music. Instead of 1 or 2 kids at one clubhouse doing everything, we'll spread it out, maybe 3-4 countries, hopefully 10-12 clubhouses. Right now there are about 6 clubhouses involved, early part of the thing. So that's our big initiative for the coming year through the Clubhouse 3D Fellowship, 3D Technology Fellowship project that I've been working on. So